It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
All right, now let's shift gears and look at the latest market trends for Abbotsford, Mission, North Delta, and New Westminster. We're about to see which markets are heating up and which ones are cooling down. First, let's look at the overall property prices in these four cities. Starting with Abbotsford, property prices have seen a dip, down by 3.5%, bringing the median price to $660,000. The decline is even more noticeable in Mission, with prices dropping by 11.3%, bringing the median to $765,000. Meanwhile, North Delta has experienced a smaller decrease, just 1.8%, settling the median at $1,260,000. But it's a different story in New Westminster, where property prices have gone up by 6.4%, pushing the median price to $769,000. Now, let's break down the changes in home prices for each city. In Abbotsford, things have been quite stable, with home prices holding steady at $1,131,000. On the other hand, Mission has seen a significant drop of 14.5%, bringing the median down to $837,500. North Delta isn't too far behind, with a decrease of 9.9%, with the median price now at $1,360,000. And in New Westminster, there's been a slight uptick, with home prices rising by 0.8% to a new median of $1,637,500. Let's move on to the apartment market, which tells a different story across the cities. Abbotsford is showing a positive trend, with prices climbing by 6.2% to reach $447,500. In contrast, Mission has seen a slight dip of 3.2%, which brings its median price down to $450,000. But if we look at North Delta, there's been a notable jump. Apartment prices are up by 19.6%, with a new median of $610,000. Meanwhile, New Westminster has experienced a minor decrease of 0.3%, settling at $646,000. Finally, let's take a look at the townhouse prices across these markets. Abbotsford's prices have dipped slightly by 0.5%, bringing the median down to $642,000. Meanwhile, Mission is bucking the trend with a small increase of 1.4%, moving the median up to $714,900. Over in North Delta, however, we're seeing a significant drop of 12.2%, with the median price now sitting at $795,000. And in New Westminster, there is a slight decrease of 0.7%, bringing the median to $893,500.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with sunny as your home.